Alright, this is my bike check right here. This is for Brennan especially. Alright, I got my Eastern Grim Reaper frame. I got some '09 Verde forks. Verde bars, they're 8 inches. I got Odyssey mono lever, snafu cables, snafu detangler right there, snafu bottom cables. I got a dual front tire. It's a trail tire right there. I got the Verde stock wheels, orange hubs. Alright, let's move to the cranks. Right here I got Verde stock cranks, stock sprocket right here. Just a regular chain. I'm not into that half link shit. Then I got some piece of crap well-go pedals that get stuck, but they're good enough. Stock back rims. Back rim, whatever. I got demolition brake pads. You can barely see those. Let's see. What else? I got some Odyssey par ends right there. Duo grips, kind of worn down. Pivotal seat right here. It's Duo 2. Let's see what else. Yeah, I got a Duo back tire. Yeah, that's about it. The bike weighs 23.5 pounds with the pegs on. And yeah, it's pretty sweet, pretty light too. Oh, also you might want to hear this, listen to that. Pretty sweet. Oh yeah, and it's got like the cutout at the front and everything.